Hey guys, welcome to the another exciting video. Today we are going to discuss about resistor. This session is divided into three parts. The first part is what is resistor, and second part is working of resistor, and third part is calculation of resistor value by using Ohm's law. Now we are entering to the first part. What is resistor? A resistor is a device which opposes the flow of current, which means whenever you give the current to the resistor, it opposes the some part of the current and it gives the resultant current at the output. The units of the resistor is ohms. The major note to be noted of the resistor is it is a non-polarized element. That means it doesn't have any polarities. So this is the main part of the resistor. Now we are entering to the second part, working of a resistor. Now I will show you the resistor symbol. This is the resistor symbol. By observing this resistor, you can notice that it does not have any polarities, which means we can give positive or negative to any node of this resistor. As I said earlier, we have two types of voltage sources. One is AC voltage source and DC voltage source. In the AC voltage source, we have the frequency element, which means it has cycles, positive cycle and negative cycle. In DC voltage source, it does not have any cycles. First we will test with AC voltage source, then DC voltage source. For connecting the circuit, we require three major components: voltage source, resistor and ground element. As I taken earlier resistor, now I am taking the AC voltage source. Now I am connecting the one node of the AC voltage to the resistor and another node to the ground, and another node of AC voltage to the ground. Now we will simulate it and see what it happened. Let us check the waveform also. So you can observe here we have applied the sinusoidal voltage, which means it is changing its cycle, positive cycle and negative cycle. The main motto of the resistor is to opposes the flow of current. But when we are applying the AC voltage, it is varying the positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, which means it cannot determine to resist the current. Now we are going to connect the DC source and see what it's happened. Just I am removing the AC source and replacing the AC source by DC source, and I am now connecting this DC source positive to the resistor and negative to the ground and simulating. So since I have said before, in the DC voltage source there will be no frequency component, so the input is linear. It does not have any sinusoidal signal. That's why the resistor is opposing the current and it is giving the output. Here my input is 1 volt to the 1 kilo ohms. So by using the Ohm's law, the current is 1 milliamps. Now we will see what happens by changing the voltage and resistance, whether it is increasing or decreasing. First we will check with the voltage. Now I am keeping the 2 volt as an input and 1 kilo ohm resistance, it giving 2 milliamps current. And if I am keeping 3 volts, as I am increasing voltage by keeping the resistance constant, the current is increasing. When it is 4 volts, it is giving 4 milliamps. Five milliamps. 6 milliamps. 7 milliamps. 8 milliamps. 9 milliamps. Now let us check. By keeping the constant voltage, I am keeping the constant voltage 5 volts and varying the resistance, what happens. So at 1 kilo ohm for 5 volts, it is giving 5 milliamps. For 2 kilo ohms, the current is 2.5 milliamps. It is reduced to half. So by keeping the voltage constant and increasing the resistance, it decreasing the current. So when I am keeping 3 kilo ohms, it is came to 1.67 milliamps. When I keep giving 4 kilo ohms, it giving 1.25 milliamps. When I am giving 5 kilo ohms, it gives 1 milliamps. When I am giving 6 kilo ohms, it is giving in microamps. So when I am keeping the voltage constant and changing the resistance value, the current is also decreasing. So when I am giving 8 kilo ohms, it is decreasing, and more it is decreasing. So we have observed by keeping the resistance constant and changing the voltage, and keeping the voltage constant and changing the resistance. When we are keeping the voltage constant and changing resistance, it is decreasing the current, and when keeping the resistance constant and changing the voltage, it is increasing the current, because the current is entirely depends upon the input voltage. So the next part of this video session is calculation of resistance value by using Ohm's law. The Ohm's law is the basic law of an electric circuit, which is V equals to IR, which in turns voltage equals to current into resistance. So whenever you give the input, it is equal to the current and resistance. So for example, my input voltage is 5 volts and my resistance is 9 kilo ohms and current is 556 microamps. If I don't know what voltage I need to supply for this resistance, for example, I have the resistance value is 9 kilo ohms and the current is 556 microamps. So by using Ohm's law, we can find the voltage. V equals to IR. I equals to 556 microamps. R equals to 9 kilo ohms. It gives 5 volts. So in the same way, if you want to calculate the current, I equals to V by R. So we will have the voltage and we will have the resistance. We will get this 556 microamps current. So in same way, if you want to calculate the resistance, R equals to V by I. V equals to 5 volts and the current is 556 microamps. So we will see another example by giving the input voltage as 6 volts or 7 or 8. Now I will give the input voltage as 8 volts. So when I am giving the input voltage 8 volts and the resistance is 9 kilo ohms, by using the Ohm's law, just calculate it. V equals to 8, R equals to 9. What is the I? I equals to V by R. So my resultant current is 889 microamps, isn't it? In same way, if you want to calculate the resistance also, if you have voltage and current, V equals to 8 volts and current is 889 microamps and the resultant resistance is 9 kilo ohms. In the same way, you can calculate the voltage, resistance and current if you have any two values. So that's it for this today's session. I hope you enjoy the content. If you enjoy the content, hit that like button. If you have any queries, comment it below. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.